the Thursday, no, any call budget reading and hearing at the floor of Parliament is Ato Forson, Castle Ato Forson. Every the budget now, extra Ghana for 2026. Seek a consumer sika the budget to Ghana in the year 2026. Over the extra Ghana for. Twene Jonas any TikTokers are exposing Ato Forson for the budget to be ready and maybe I just say, oh, you can throw to Ghana for. Now, Omo Eto Ati. Twene Abe class with the moment to watch the wide amame. Ewa comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Mess was a need more. Over like video, not that my subscribe button, some back like notification icon for latest updates. Now better the wide and the amame. Ewa comment section. Best also bass I don't shave was on your be ashway. The third day, no. I dey copy more Parliament House for budget reading and hearing. I just Ato Bedru. Ato Eba. That's all the moral full them and Eba. Man, the fans Ato is forcing. Oh, Ato, and that's what Ato. When Ato copy in Parliament House on more. I was starting the budget reading. Say, oh, bro, never be so Ato. Poor never is never now to person in that emu eham. Poor never be so. Now you know something. Ato a budget no. He made mention of ECG revenue. Just say sika ECG enya. And go chire mu say at first na ECG enya sika busua ye 900 million Ghana cedis. But enama dwuma so no a omo ba ye no omo ebo no. ECG timi ameki ECG currently timi meki 1.7 billion. Just say that is twice almost 90% increment. But say now to boa. Figure no quote here say 900 million cedis for the past month and in the past years nana ECG it's making of. Say na to abedi tro. Oko ECG for omo website data available to every Ghana tracking KBA. Even the month of December 2024, ECG making 1.3 billion revenue. Just the month of December 2024, ECG making 1.3 billion as revenue for Ghana. Not just a budget to force the corridor, you know. And trophy. I don't know TikTok for no. I will reply no. Twitch control. Ghana for. I'm a TikTok for. I reply Ato Forson on the budget.
I was like a mad yet, and so me dying to me na. Aden. Dr. Ato Forson, ever my 2026 budget. Obetre sika yebenya ene de rebaya no 2026. All kasano. And ochire mu say eye ECG for 2024. Ye ka musika omunya nyina bom ne echa mudumienu a. Na teresa bosumi bia omunya 900 million Ghana cedis.
The Electricity Company of Ghana revenues has risen almost 90% from 900 million to 1.7 billion Ghana cedis per month. Per month.
And when I'm called online, I'm called checking ECG for almost 2024 annual financial statement. I'm called checking the whole year no omunya 19.03 billion cedis. Ucha mudumi enua. Na chesa bosumi bi omunya 1.58 billion cedis. Maybe say Dr. Ato Forson say 1.58 billion cedis no. And then so teba 900 million. Ye di kan no. Ye to sumi enu. Eye wo de toto 2023 eye wonsika wonya ya ho a. Next 2024 no wonsika no ko soro ohamu enchichemu aduonu eni akire ponsia 20.6%. Wo de afi de toto eye 2024 de ho a akosoro ohamu chichemu eye ensia ne akire pon watwe 6.8%. Every say Dr. Atosi busumi bia omenya 1.7 eye billion. Now what to talk 1.58 billion no one. That's a cost 6.8% per 80 Dr. Ato 190% and no correct. And now 900 million now is 2024 no million and no correct. Dr. Ato would you need a doctor Mesrao and fan throw and bata homa honte why doctor. Allegedly no what in throw free say evidence online and say the whole can no correct. It's Mesrawa come back.
Now also budget already you know. Already we ya ana afunyo market ebusa say where is the 24-hour economy because that is your flagship program. In the budget, you didn't make mention of the 24-hour economy. Where is the 24-hour economy?
Mr. Speaker, ni a vote kahame ameke ake nuchumomba. Ameke wake ake nuchumomba. Abaha 24-hour economy. One job, 3 shifts. Yano yakwe, Gamashi, Teshi, La. Nungwa, you tell Ameke, Ingwe 24-hour economy yo. Nichumwe, Ingwe Nichume yo. Almost say Jumanu Wayi, Musi, 24-hour economy. And then, we buy a 24-hour economy, one can once them. So more 2 Jumsi, 24-hour economy. One job, 3 shifts in Wahi. Why women is who MPs no want to mean come constituency?
Minority leader. Minority leader.
I'm going to translate.
Your
2 weeks.
No, I don't need a translation.
Oh, Mr.
I think your time is up for the
comments.
comments.
Mr. Speaker, it's okay. Mr. Speaker, it's okay.
This is
after Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members.
You see your man. You see.
Honorable members.
It's okay.
Sam na afanya marking ebusa ye no epia ana Twene Jonas ebusa Ato Forson John Mahama say where is the 24-hour economy? Because that was your flagship political policy and that was your flagship political campaign message. And where is the 24-hour economy that mo promise Ghana for no 133 1 job 3 people 3 shift no where is it?
Enti nyan Ghana kwan na tutu accident ikum ni pankran tukuma ase no eno na mo fa sika ne nko yenya jet odwan na atimi create employment abo man num emwa enkwasiafo wadi ase mo fa sika ne mie 24-hour economy na mo dem kwasia kwatra parliament se mo ready budget abra man timi am 24-hour economy the flagship campaign messenger edem ba power no man timi am ehun din wo parliament wo munyam wa na mo ye de are of course, you know what it is. I'm chilling in my powerful beast, my BMW division. John Mahama, when you try, say, when you have one idea, budget now the command. Ato Forson is on reading. No, at the end of the month for 24-hour economy number because anything a man to abamamu, unquasia for sebe ambe juma na anopa ebikwa juma ewie ebikwa juma nyumre ebikwa juma ti se abruchi anything a man to abamamu nkraman. Intisama bapawa na muntimi mi adwuma e chese you are useless mfaso ni musombe kofie. I'm telling you the fact kwasiafo mu ba brochi a adwuma bu mu hunyansa bie 24-hour economy na mu jai se mu disika na ma mu ma mu wan tantantan mu ma mu nya akono de to luxury car de yeshupa gas show off abra mu nkwasiafo na nka mu hunyansa bie adwuma nka enipa bebrebe kura mkogu sports stadium so mu kopeso jaye. What I say, Obi anya adwuma ya okope soja ya eden adwuma na woni bi ye no di desperation eco sports stadium akope adwuma ye eti John Mahama si anyansa no wagime dodo obi ani oto abama o say brana beto private jet ema usojafo ne wankasa ye to abama o say bebi adwuma ma mabunu e ka jet nti anke ye kofa akufo adu because na timi to e fly jet e de nsa ko wo nkofo matwem o plane enko na ye be keep no forever enya wo kwase mpanyin ma talk de nti amema ye to abama o nyina ye 24-hour economy odwan nti waba no o koma Ato Forson ama budgeter, you have to include the 24-hour economy. Na mo start mi adwuma na mo nyai se ma jimi amudi sika na ma mo mantafo nkwasiafo toto cars. Mo ma ajimifo nkwasiafo toto cars ye show off and in the name of say o mo se kwasia mpanyina ba ma mpanyini. Abra wo John Mahama kwasia oba o manu o mo afiafi na o mo ne na mo akufo at the time o mo ntimi an stock aba kukura amaye show off. Enwa ya mu afiafi mo ba power o mato $1 million cars e di show of Ferrari Lamborghini na kwasia unuanom tafo ogu bridge ase unuanom tafo egu bridge ase o mso kaya yo adan na unfa unya jimi na unfa ka ba akopekura sika enkosi factory ewo northern region ho ewo ukrom bole ho se de be ya unuanom good boy bamboy omu wie school omu nya factory bi ma koye adwuma na omu meswa kaya yo onkran ni kejetia da bi wajimi enti cars na ototo ma uma no obi anim se oye kwasia because akura 20 years akura 17 years obi $1 million da eye okwasia ye gold board a wo se odi aba no obeka kire say wanya $8 billion I say sikano America nya ya nko obi oga America Ghana bia didi se me man ze Ghana yempanifo ne nyemwa na Ghana ma abroni na di so a Trump buy all the tariffs ebegu America countries bia so to say China no agi tariffs ni hu sika se ameno ka say America ni bio kroma bia o gibi Trump che $2,000 every onukra wanya $8 billion no or ma America na over 300 million population obia $2,000 so nko di free wa wo se mebo bia bebodua ba dwomama kwase ampanyini a Ghana yenuru 40 million people mpo wanya 8 billion na wasise sika na kogu udam se dwomama ke na o mantafo agimifo asise ade atoto cars na o mde ye show off what you say na yenya adwuma enkreti emma youth no what you say ni yenya sika ntua teacher fo yenya sika ntua police yenya sika ntua nurse. Does this make sense? We are poor. Ntuba so anu share no nothing but the truth on this platform. Obi antan obi adi amede yakofo adwe no abi nam de adwomama because ye nyimi forever. Ye nyimi forever. Da bi an makota parliament na mo kote se nkokoma abra ka AG2 fo ni primary fo nyina agya ntokwakom. Sa jimi ni nyina munyai na bambabi omutumi ko na bambabi asore fio. Abra mo nyina mo yo, yes sir, have a good day, of course, chilling, for chilling in the United States, man. Of course, you know what it is. We are in the great area of New York City, and Chairman Mumbai Times Square, but I'm fire and Kwasiafoni Kakra. Obviously, you are too damn popular in the United States. Some of these interactions may my pop-up, man. Of course, you know what it is. Eti, Obi Antanjo Mama, Mentano, Obia, Memete BMW division, Mumete Heaven, Mama Chele. Trump nkra no mu mi omusuro me BMW me twa wiem no ma bie sky view na me twa wiem no ene ye omo yawo ena omo bo omo so omo ayi ne sare no police immigration for no omo sare no omo so kire me say me nyere careful nya se on ba be ha me eno ana omo betinya ye omo ma me won ya sam de omusuro me mtime gimi ha omo nyina nim say kasa American etwi omo ne na ma omusuro me omo mtime gimi. But would that be say let's get into it. But of course, Oti America now krata semunya. Ye careful me na brofuni slome. But wa krata anyeno. MPP rough nya se omuso mu amba mu ade wako. Ukrum nti ye careful amu wako bere because ye mpanifo ni na ya moa. Omune ade papa bia ye man. What you say? Je John Mahama ba e sankofa mines adin we ade amani nua Ibrahim Mahama. Na Ibrahim Mahama kwase ampanyini sensuo black voter no timi hono ne saa no de excavator ba na san kwase afo ekuro ya nam se yempe illegal nti akochicha ma untumi na nye munya mwa wachi untumi no chi Ibrahim Mahama ne soso na fe yehu se wo ye adwuma da bi akronfo mienu di bone mechi untumi na majami nua mo sensuo a still nsuo na ni be call because we are poor but me hu ye opegalam se umpese o man nsuo be se ya me china me chi NDC for fracha man kutu kwase ampanyini free northern region abetena santima mu sensuo ba bia ni anopa wi anwumre ono kwa de o seka akwan nyina fra ansu yentime nche no because John Mahama chimefo akotam certificate a share nsem se obi aba ye frɛ no mining certificate sensuo no anti John Mahama wentini ato abama because esi ana wa stop MPP fo a still nsuo ni say no hu se common sense crunch no say obi abehu se NDC fo na sensuo Odi ye fan say Twene Jonas menka say NDC for na say no but must stop MPP for nyina ye omunye galamsey bio but still uko illegal mining site soldier for guide galamsey for enti soldier for no why na control am eye John Mahama enya akofo ado ti dia mecho no enu ntina soldier for ehwe ma Ghana for nipa makoma kunsia wuya me fire John Mahama no because on the orders on the control am. And he say soldier for mo bonipa ho ban agina wa hwe han amanipa besanie tietia ne yonko nipa so akuno abro mantimi am maintain peace antimi am make sure say aha say de ma ba no obi antimi nyimi obi e follow mbra because they are the law enforcement people. No matter na ma nipa ko wu a na se Shatawale kura ni nyansa che mampanyini no mampanyini ni aboa because Shatawale timi e de nkura ko show no akomande omumo obia nye dede wa ha ampani ampa e peaceful na John Mahama na ntwie de nkura ko guo no atimi ahwa amomatieti omo ho aku omo ho a o ya aboa oromane gari enti Mr. The truth is powerful and warm up is dedicated for truth. Enti susu ampa say wakotina wa wama Ato Forson Yama budget 2026 budget na mantimi am the flagship the mobile power 24-hour economy mantimi am because mo disika nyina betu atwe mo disika nyina be for private jet zabri wana ne hu fi no mo wo position na jei wanyale am for private jet that because no ne kapre mo benya yesika na and I'm going to kwasi asensan document ye de ye tise akofo ado da ye high private jet da na mo benya yesika ni wie na ade anche na mo dem jimi a high private jet dia bere wana ne hu fini tenam so nkosa ne ho yade to the extent say mo nkwasi afo ya o maku play koku o mu de yesika de o mu efunugu private jet mo kwa de ma jimi chan akofo ado emfa yo I don't know making noise, yo. I feel on the entire police for the chair before. Bibi nimku take mobile bent is aboa or nimsa high Africa. And to know automatically o say we immigrant no mabe mo African do kokrom. So and sometimes you be brochire adwene abrochire ya mo aben. Na I say no we broni be police ni be chino na yama ni ska obi ye de ne kokota na obi una ye racist aha no obo aben sa we criminal e so call them because we disturb people peace ntu emu nyina no man ketinketi unya obedru America na unya ka tena animu a ahanye kejetia na ahanye kantamanto obeye sa no ma we a nti certain things ma America police for no say kwase we immigrant no ma mo nti certain things be wa behavior be wa ya no amomu because that behavior we the police ni ebechi kwase an sisi a akoman $500 fan na don't get me wrong ya church gugu ho say men mo aben ha oba o because the entire traffic light num that I saw red was majimi me oba aben e so green ana okọ e so red agina e so green akọ e so red agina enti obi nko ya na ese nipa na etwa kwa no wo bo ne so aben a wo ya boa so enti obi si ya la ya wo ya boa kwasia obi abetena so 1 year ontmintua nurse for 1 year ontmintua teacher for 1 year John Mahama kwasia mpanyin ontmintua teacher for ba otmin nya sika fa Kevin Taylor boa ebetena Ghana tua lawyers etua bribe momuja Kevin Taylor udini na nkesi ya chine tum no because we criminal waja say ontmintua teacher for ka otminya sika sisa ne nkwahia ma ekototo ka besa omo lies omo mfanye de car show off otminya sika command ba so mfanye boxing otminya sika sisa funu edigu play mu ko South Africa omo mawawi o na ati asefo ye adwuma team fifi enti omo ka odwan where is the lie me pe jimi o where is the lie enti omo jimi me pe se jimi no omo teso because next time no bia enkoye abontisuni ne bewu ebetima be ye wo na ombekum waja se ensuo na omo se no na we Ghana nsuo nyina hono omo ba ensuo na hono chen MPP time why because John Mahama jimifo no ama omo lances se omo nse nsuo no enti ama no asama police ni soja guide omo ti ama obi antime nkan omo asem so opo me bodu ya se on sisa lances ma NDC for including in Nua Ibrahim Mama Kronfo na obe wi asa nkofa no ya bremu ni jimi ti Ato Forson kwase mpanyini kan be my statement say mo de 24-hour economy be share budget num mamu nkodi sika ni nyina abra mu betimi di bia adwuma adai na majimi oba America adwuma ntina immigrant ba ha o mepehwe wa adwuma o adwuma nya sika ko ni krom unya bedru ya you go get a job to do why because empanifo ni nyansa o ma bia adwuma Ebansia Ghana mpanimfo nko ade o magimi.
Chere wadwe mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.